Hi, I'm Tasha with Pathways to Peace Counseling. I wanted to introduce you to a new game I have. This one is called Train Your Brain, and this is a cognitive behavioral counseling game, and it is focused on teaching cognitive behavioral skills to kids. So the game board looks like this, and everything's backwards, but you get a gist of it. And so there's 4 different sets of cards. So the mental exercise cards, these focus on teaching cognitive behavioral skills. So questions are like true or false. If a thought is in my head, it must be true. We know that that answer is false, that there's a lot of false beliefs that pop into people's heads, and that it doesn't necessarily mean it's true if there's a thought that pops in your head. Another one is when a situation happens, you get to decide what it means to you. Why is it important to think the best of the situation? So it just challenges kids to think through what thoughts are going on in their head, how to challenge thoughts. And so these are just basic kind of learning exercises on those. Heavy thoughts. So this deals with everybody goes through difficult times, and sometimes negative thoughts that are spoken over us stick with us for a long time, and we have to figure out what to do with those. And so questions include things like, what does it mean to assume? How can assuming others' intentions lead to hurt feelings? Or tell about a thought that weighs you down. So there's 12 different questions on here that talk about heavy thoughts and will help them come up with ideas of how to release those heavy thoughts and how to be free from just negative things that have been spoken. Fill up on positivity. It has a little water bottle there. These are basically, they're kind of more generic questions about how to focus on positive thoughts. And like, for instance, what are affirmations and how can you use affirmations to improve your thoughts? So affirmations are just positive statements you can tell yourself. Let's see, imagine yourself wadding up negative words and throwing them in the trash. So that one's just an idea. So they don't have to answer that one. So, and then the final set of cards is staying upbeat. Now these are more personalized to the kid. So like, who are 2 people that you enjoy to be around? What is a hobby or activity that you enjoy? And so these are all just different things that they can do, so they can identify the positive things to build on those. So it's just a basic, nitty gritty cognitive behavioral counseling game to teach cognitive behavioral concepts and just drill that thought stopping and replacement and taking control of thoughts. It's here to really help kids be more aware of their self-talk and how their self-talk impacts them emotionally. So that's it, Train Your Brain. It is currently available in a digital download or a physical copy that I could mail to you. Eventually, I will have it available as a telehealth game as well. Thank you.